So it looks like we got a bad injector. It's hard to see, but unplug it. It runs the same. Plug it back in. The engine's jumping. Yeah, I got a P0202. I'm gonna swap it out. All right, so I'm gonna start by removing this little air intake out my way, and then we'll get to the coils, and then we'll take that injector out. So just basically just remove these clips, you know, just kind of flip these up, and then I'm gonna loosen this right here. Get this all out my way, and then we'll go from there. All right, so basically we had this little hose on the back here of the air intake housing, so I just unplugged that, and I'm just setting this right on top so I can get access to this fuel injector right here that I'm having issues with. That's where it is. Okay, it's that fuel injector down there. Well, it didn't make a difference when I unplugged the coil, so I may double check it, just make sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and unplug these coils. I'm gonna get a light too and get these coils out the way because they're sitting on top of this rail right here. I'm gonna see about pulling these up and turn them. So it looks like a 10mm will break these nuts loose. I think that's it. I'm gonna double check that. And take these coils out. Check. All right, so I got 2 of these out so far, working on the last one. Just gonna loosen this nut right on top, then pull straight up. And it looks like there's 2 other bolts down here, one here and one here for the actual fuel rail. It's kind of hard to see because of the light. But once I get this out, then I should be able to pick this rail up. I'll unplug this, pick the rail up, and look at swapping that fuel injector. All right, so I'm gonna use my air compressor to blow out any dirt around here. That's my manual air compressor. So when I pull this out, don't get in the way. All right, so these had a little laugh there. So this coil pack just pulls straight up and out the way, and hopefully I can turn this to get out of my way. Yeah, I'm gonna finagle this out, and we'll go from there. All right, so this is a 5/16 down there, and there's one right there. All right, gonna connect this little cheap scanner up, grab my keys, turn this car on. See, we get rid of, there we go, this code. It's the 302, the 202, so we're gonna erase this. Scroll down, hit erase, say yes, erase done. Okay, that check engine light should go away. Crank it up. Sounds a little smoother. We're gonna take it for a ride, see if it comes back. So right now driving, looks like it's holding pretty good. No check engine light, nothing like that. And yeah, I didn't show the whole thing. My daughter was actually watching my phone, so it is what it is. But I'll catch y'all in the next one.